Welcome to this user guide that will show you how to effectively block pop-ups and unwanted ads directly on your iPhone device using the Safari browser. We're all familiar with how constant pop-ups and ads can disrupt our internet searches and browsing experience. Fortunately, Apple has integrated powerful tools into its Safari browser that allow users to control the content displayed while surfing the web. First, exit the Safari browser. After that, tap on Settings on your phone. Scroll down and find the Safari section. When you see it, click on it. Now, we're looking for an option called Block Pop-ups. When we've found it, make sure it's enabled by toggling the switch here. Once you've enabled the Block Pop-ups option, your Safari pop-ups will be blocked, and you can use the Safari feature without interruptions. We hope we've helped you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.